Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step how to put stop loss in Bybit spot trading. So if you want to add the stop loss in Bybit spot trading, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Bybit, go to trading section. After you go to the trade, so now you tap on this option now and select the coin you want to trade. After you select the face you want to trade in this option, so like this one, after you select the trade you want to trade, then the next thing to do, now you tap on this option. So now you tap on this option, now sell. After you go to the sell option, so now you tap on this where it says market and change the market into this TP/SL, this one. So after you select this TP/SL, which is this one, so the next thing to do, now we tap on this trigger price, this one. So now you type in the amount that you want to set as your stop loss. So I'll type in this option and set the price to 70. So if you look at this option now, the current price of the LTC, which is Litecoin, is 76.009. So whenever the price goes to 70, as you can see now, whenever the price goes to this 70 USDT, I'll just sell my Litecoin. So the next thing to do now is specify the quantity you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 100, or all of my all, as you can see now I have over 457, that's LTC. So I want to sell all of them, so I'll just add this to 100%. So after you add this to 100%, then the next thing to do, now we tap on this limit. So this limit will give you option. So now whenever the market goes to 80, so if you tap on this 80, so whenever the market goes to 80 and I at the same time I ask the market to to sell it for me. So the current price is 70, or less I'll just change this to 90. So whenever the market goes to 70, it will sell it for me, I'm in lost. And whenever the market goes to 90, it will sell it for me, I'm in profit. So after you finish this, so then you tap on this sell button, confirm the sell. So if you scroll to down, so here you'll be able now to see the market. So here is it now. So now here is my market. And that's it. If this video helps, like and subscribe. If you want to cancel, you can tap on this cancel button. Or if you want to modify, you can tap on this modify button. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.